I feel quite honored the kind of response Dangal has got. What more can a creative person ask for? You create something hoping that people will like it, and when you get so much of love in return and appreciation, uh, couldn't have asked for anything more than that. See, I think it's a very welcome initiative. It's something which is so required. I remember my early days when. As a youngster, you're looking for guidance, you're looking for direction as to somebody should come and tell you something, but you have no access to anybody. So what I used to do is I used to buy original DVDs, because most of the original DVDs used to come with director's commentary and the producer's commentary and the production designer's commentary. So I used to watch the film, then I used to watch the director's commentary, and see it with the production designer's commentary and all those things. That it was a self-learning process, because I didn't know which director to go to, who to talk to, what to do. So now, because students and the aspiring filmmakers and actors and all those guys have access to come and at least hear out what goes into making a film or producing a film or in the casting of a film. So they have access to so much more knowledge than what we used to have when we were youngsters. So I think it's quite a welcome initiative, and it's a much required one. See, what it does is, there is certain kind of perception about a process, and then there is a reality. And a lot of time perceptions don't meet the reality. What these kind of master classes do is they kind of bring the perceptions and reality closer to each other. You may have thought of something. Some people think, when I come from advertising background, and I meet a lot of people, and I have heard from a lot of people, advertising तो हम भी लिख लेते हैं, उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है. Now the thing is, I have come across many people who believe that writing is very easy. I have come across many people who think that writing a feature film is very easy. I have come across a lot of people who think they can be very good actors. The reality check is extremely important, and people need to understand that it's a very disciplined way of working, whether it is acting or producing a film or directing a film or writing a film. And when they come and get exposed to this kind of things, a lot of people perceptions may break, and they may come closer to reality. And that's exactly what these kind of classes do. I don't plan too much in advance. I would say that I have a couple of ideas which I'm developing. Let me see if one of them develops or none of them develops to my satisfaction. I don't know. It's too early for me to comment at this point of time. I would say that they need to be very sure about their passion, and then they should give their 100% for the passion which they have. But most important thing is that passion and realization of the passion is extremely important. A lot of times we invest our energy in wrong directions without really knowing that whether we want to do that or not. Getting the clarity is extremely important, and I would want these guys to have all the clarity which they can get and then not look back.